Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Baby Q-Tips is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for new parents, designed specifically to ensure the delicate hygiene of your little one without causing any harm, making those tiny cleaning tasks, from ear folds to belly buttons, a breeze, and giving you peace of mind knowing you're using a safe and effective product for your baby's sensitive skin. Number 5. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail Plus Ear Picker. Discover the ultimate multi-tool for your baby's hygiene needs. This innovative device is designed to keep them clean and comfortable. Gently remove stubborn boogers with its soft, rounded tip. It ensures safe and effective cleaning, providing instant relief for your little one. Tackle earwax buildup without discomfort. This tool helps maintain their ear hygiene, making it a breeze for parents. Keep tiny fingers spotless and tidy. It's perfect for gently cleaning around delicate nails, preventing dirt buildup. Simplify your baby's care routine with this single, versatile item. It's an indispensable addition to any parent's kit, ensuring comprehensive cleanliness. From the trusted makers of Nose Frida, you can rely on its quality and safety. This essential item is a must-have for every nursery. What we like. This versatile tool offers 3 essential functions in one compact design. It's perfect for safely clearing tiny noses, ears, and even under nails. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for baby's delicate cleaning needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Frida Baby Saline Kit. Is your little one struggling with stuffy noses? This kit provides gentle and effective relief for cold and flu symptoms, helping them breathe easier. At its core is the award-winning nasal aspirator, a safe and hygienic way to clear your baby's nasal passages. It's designed for comfort and efficiency. Complementing the aspirator is a gentle saline nasal spray. This helps loosen mucus, making it easier to remove and providing soothing moisture. This comprehensive 12-piece set ensures you have everything needed for effective nasal care. It's a complete solution for your baby's comfort. For your peace of mind, it also includes 10 extra hygiene filters. These ensure a clean and sanitary experience every time you use it. Designed with parents in mind, this kit is incredibly easy to use and maintain. Keeping your baby comfortable has never been simpler. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for effective cold and flu relief. Its gentle saline spray and aspirator work together to clear stuffy noses. If your little one is struggling with congestion, this complete system offers quick comfort. What people say. Number 3. Frida Baby Nail Clippers and File Set. Introducing the ultimate solution for your baby's delicate nails. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for safe and easy nail maintenance. It includes precision clippers, a gentle nail file, and a buffer. You'll have all the tools to keep tiny fingers and toes smooth and snag-free. Designed with your peace of mind in mind, it features a unique safety spy hole. This innovative design helps you see exactly where you're clipping, preventing accidental nicks. Crafted with your baby's health as a priority, it is nickel-free. This ensures a hypoallergenic experience, perfect for even the most sensitive skin. The clippers boast a curved design, specifically shaped to fit tiny nails. This ergonomic feature makes trimming comfortable and effective for both you and your little one. What we like. Designed with safety in mind, these clippers feature a unique spy hole for precise trimming. The curved blades perfectly fit tiny nails, making the task less daunting. If you want a stress-free and safe way to manage baby's nails, this tool is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 2. Clean Skin Club Clean Swabs. Introducing the Clean Skin Club Clean Swabs. This generous pack contains 500 swabs, ensuring you always have one on hand for all your needs. Each swab features a single pointed tip, designed for ultimate precision. This unique design allows for detailed work and accurate application. Made with the planet in mind, these swabs are crafted from biodegradable and organic cotton and bamboo. They offer an eco-conscious choice without compromising on quality. Whether it's perfecting your makeup or tidying up nail polish, these swabs are your go-to tool. They provide gentle yet effective touch-ups for a flawless finish. Rest assured, these swabs are chlorine-free and hypoallergenic. They are designed to be gentle on your skin, making them suitable for even the most sensitive users. What we like. These unique swabs feature a pointed tip, offering exceptional precision for delicate tasks. Made from organic and biodegradable materials, they are also eco-friendly. If you need pinpoint accuracy for small cleanups around baby's eyes or ears, these are a great option. What people say. Number 1. 2-pack safety cotton swabs baby buds. These specially designed cotton swabs offer the utmost safety for your baby. Their unique shape ensures a gentle and secure cleaning experience every time. With a large, soft tip, they prevent over-insertion, protecting delicate ears and noses. You can trust them for all your infant's hygiene needs. Made from 100% pure cotton, they are incredibly soft and highly absorbent. This makes them perfect for sensitive skin and various cleaning tasks. From cleaning tiny creases to applying ointments, these buds are an indispensable tool. They make daily care routines simpler and safer for parents. Each package contains 2 packs, totaling 216 pieces, ensuring you always have a supply on hand. This generous quantity provides long-lasting value and convenience. Parents worldwide rely on these for their baby's delicate needs. They are a must-have for any nursery, offering peace of mind with every use. What we like. These traditional cotton swabs come with a specially designed large tip for enhanced safety. They are gentle and perfect for everyday cleaning around baby's outer ear or belly button. If you prefer a classic, safe, and soft option for general baby hygiene, these are a reliable choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.